Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I explain to you how to fix print spooling on Windows 11. The print spooler problem is one of the most famous problems. When users try to print, and the document is stuck in the queue, it is frustrating. Although there could be a lot of reasons why you cannot print, including the problem with the print spooler, connection problems, or issues with the printer itself. If you have that type of problem, it is possible to resolve this particular printer issue by resetting the Print Spooler service on your computer using the Services console or command prompt. First, I will start with how to fix the Print Spooler using Services. Press the Windows plus R keys to open the Run box, and type in the Run box, services.msc, and click on the OK button. This procedure will open the Services window. From the Services window, search for a service called Print Spooler. Then, right-click on the Print Spooler service, and select Properties. From the Print Spooler service Properties window, make sure that you are on General tab, then click on the Stop button to stop the Print Spooler service. This is considered the first step. After confirming that the service has stopped, click the OK button. You can minimize the Windows Services window, and the next step is to delete the document stuck in the queue. Open the Run box again, enter the path that appears in front of you on the screen, and click the OK button. I will leave you the path in the video description. In this path, you will find the documents that are stuck in the queue. Select all the files in this folder and delete them, so you can solve and fix the Print Spooler. But you must run Print Spooler service again. So open the Services window, right-click on Print Spooler service, and select Properties. Then click on the Start button. This is to run the Print Spooler service again. Thus, you will be able to print again, without any problems due to print spooling. There is another way to fix print spooling, using some commands, which is also a good way. To use command prompt to fix the print spooler, open the command prompt window as administrator. After opening the command window, enter the command, net stop spooler, and click the enter button. This command will stop the print spooler service. After successfully executing the command, enter the following command, as it appears in front of you on the screen, and I will leave the command for you in the description of the video. This command will delete the document stuck in the queue. After completing the deletion of the document stuck in the queue, enter the net start spooler command and press the enter button. This command will start the print spooler service. After completing these steps, you can print any document again, without any problems due to print spooling. I explained the two methods using Windows services, and using the command prompt commands. You can use the appropriate method for you. I hope the video is useful to you. And thank you for watching. I also hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.